I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
So this is some exclusive footage, man. Shit out here, K-Town, Texas. Clean up. K-Town, Texas, man. Out this bitch. Motherfucking Riveria done shitted on me, bro. I think it's the fuel pump. Outcast thought it was the fuel pump. I think it was still going. I think that bitch was just on the way out. And now that bitch is gone. And she won't say shit. She just cranking over. You don't want to start the YouTube, ho? Yup, she don't want to start the YouTube. Start right there. Air fuel spark, man. Air fuel fucking spark. I don't got nothing to fucking test my theory. Other than the fact that shit, it ain't throw no fucking codes or nothing. And that's how them hoes sound like when they ain't got no motherfucking gas. Bitch just crank. Like it ain't getting no fucking fuel. I never miss a minute for footage. So we made it a little further. The bitch cut off again. I don't know what the fuck it is. It ran a little bit, then that bitch cut off again. I don't know if it's that cam shit or what. I'm here now, bro. Then now I get in this hole, crank it off. That bitch ain't missed a motherfucking beat, bro. I don't know what the fuck it is. That hoe starts strong too. Like, bro, what the fuck? This shit's crazy, bro. My own shit. I told my own shit before I let them tow it. She for sale now, though. How's it going, man? It's been better.
Hell, shit getting even better for you. I showed up.
I called another tow truck company last night. They were like, yeah, I'm gonna call you back. They never called me back. I'm like, shit. So I come back this morning. I seen the sign over there where it said they'll do the tow, like they tow it if you're not supposed to be here. So I was like, well, fuck it. I'll beat them to the punch. I call. Don't have to worry about the storage, none of that stuff. So
I'm gonna give you my number. Whatever fucking time it is, and you got to clean in.
Yeah.
I should be there in about 15, 20 minutes.
Okay.
I don't see people hanging out, dude.
Yeah.
I just going around and go the fuck home.
Yeah. Yeah, my boy came and got me, so yeah, last night it wasn't cranky do shit. Like this morning I came and crunk it, like it started right up.
But it probably died after a few seconds.
Nah, it's.
You kept on going?
I didn't try to drive it. Oh, see, now now it's not doing shit.
Don't make me look bad. Like when you take your car to the mechanic shop, hey, I hear this. He takes it. I don't hear a fucking thing.
That's how it goes. Yeah, man, we done. We are done. We had a broken, busted relationship. We was trying to mend it back together. But this is the final straw. I can't take no more. I can't take no more, Rivy. You're breaking my heart. Breaking my heart, Rivy. Breaking my heart. As you can see, this is the next morning. When my boy came and got me, Pride came and got me. Shout out to my boy P. Pride. I got a lot of boys. I got a lot of homies with P's in their name. Yeah, I was just unlocking the steering wheel. That helps.
Not yet. When the tires on the metal, it's easier.
Yeah, I might have done this a couple times before. My wife is like, I don't know why you like them old ass cars.
Hey.
I'm like, they different. But
I got two of them, dude. I got a 67 and an 88.
Oh, really?
I don't have nothing new.
Yeah.
Nothing of mine has electronics in it.
Yeah.
My shit breaks down because I forgot to put gas in it. Goddamn hot wire breaks down. That's it.
Yeah. And I think that's the issue with this. Is something with the ignition, the electronics in it.
My daughter's the same. She got a brand new 2018. Just picked it up in November. The son of a bitch doesn't want to recognize the fucking key yet.
Oh, wow.
Been to the shop about 3 times. Everything is push button.
Yeah.
So it doesn't recognize, even though she has it right there on her lap.
Yeah.
The electronics don't recognize. So she's taking it back this week.
I don't blame her.
No, she wants her 18.
Yeah.
But she wants a key.
Yeah.
She don't
But
want
like
a push button.
my
She
truck
want
is
a key.
7. Yeah, my truck is 17, but it got a key.
Yeah. She
So
wants a key.
well, it's not a key, but it's more of a key than just the proximity thing.
She wants the little fucking, like that little one that you just had, the little black one.
Oh yeah.
She wants to drop something. She wants something just like that. She doesn't want a thing that just sits like this. You gotta push the button or something. She don't want that shit.
Yeah.
She wants to be able to put it in this shit and turn.
After experience like that, I don't blame her. But at first I thought it was a fuel pump. The fuel pump still kicks on. It's something with the electronics or something. So I'm just.
The shit. Not fed up.
Yeah, I'm fed up too. I didn't know if I was gonna call y'all. I was gonna call fucking 195 to come get this shit. But I figured I'd try to part it out some. Or maybe sell it to somebody that wants to deal with it, cause I got like 2 or 3 other projects, man. I'm tired of fooling with this. This was really just like something I bought to get back and forth to work. I work out of Belgium. Yeah, so something to save on gas, so I don't have to drive this. Gas goes to this. Yeah. Going to cold. I got a 1991 Buick Riviera, 89,000 miles. Some electronic issue. Could be simple, could be complex. I don't know, don't care. Also, if you need a towing company, Bill's Towing in Killeen, Texas. Shit.
need an exact location of where I'm going.
Okay. To the crib. That's where she gonna sit. That's where she gonna live, right here in this fucking street. Till somebody come by our motherfucking ass. Trifling ass bitch. Nah, I'm playing. We are done though. We are done. We are done though. I'm not exactly sure what more I would need to throw at this fucking car. I'm pretty sure it's something with the engine electrical system. Let me just flip through the book right quick. Get you the motherfucking chapter 5 and shit. I don't know if it's even fucking electrical. Like, it could be anything. Like, it could be motherfucking ignition system. It could be something with that shit. Cadillac model, I don't know. And I don't want to fuck with it no more, so. That's where she gonna fucking stay, right here. Maybe I can get her out the fucking street. Even if that don't happen.